In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up abandoned cart email Shopify. If you sell products online, you know that some customers begin checkout and then leave before completing their purchase. An abandoned checkout email helps you recover those visitors by sending a helpful message at the right time. In this tutorial, we will set up the abandoned checkout email template so you can customize the text to match your store and your brand. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, look at the top navigation area of the Shopify interface. You are going to find this section related to abandoned checkout. Search on the top navigation for the option called Abandoned Checkout. Take a moment here to make sure you are opening the correct area, because Shopify may have similar-looking sections for other marketing tools. Once you locate Abandoned Checkout in the top navigation, click it. This will bring you into the Abandoned Checkout settings, where you can manage the email behavior. Depending on your store configuration, you may see existing templates, settings, or an editor area. The goal of this section is to review the current message that will be sent to customers when they abandon checkout. After clicking Abandon Checkout, the next thing you will see is an editing area for the email content. Look for an option that says Click, and then also look for Edit Segment. You will then click on Edit Segment to edit. This opens the template editor so you can adjust the message that appears in the abandoned checkout email. Now, once the editor loads, you can alter the text template contents if needed. This part matters because your email text should be clear, accurate, and aligned with your store. For example, you may want to ensure that the email includes the correct tone, guidance, and any information that helps a customer return to their cart or checkout. As you work in the template editor, take a careful look at the current text. Do not rush through this step. Read through it like a customer would, from start to finish. Also, pay attention to any dynamic parts that Shopify inserts automatically. These dynamic parts typically relate to the customer and the abandoned checkout details, so they should remain intact. When you decide what to change, use the edit area to update the text where it makes sense. Make adjustments based on what you want your customers to see. If the template has multiple segments, you can focus on the specific segment that controls the portion of the message you want to refine. The instructions specifically mention editing the segment, so stay within the segment editor view rather than navigating away. As you make changes, keep an eye on how the content appears within the editor. Even small edits can improve clarity, such as simplifying wording or adding reassurance. If you have a particular offer or reminder you want the email to communicate, you would reflect that through changes to the text template contents. Make sure your messaging stays relevant to abandoning checkout, since this email is meant to bring customers back to complete their purchase. When you are finished with the edits, confirm that the template has saved or updated according to Shopify's interface. Depending on your version of Shopify admin, the editor might require you to click a Save or Confirm action, or it may autosave when you make changes. The key point is that your updated abandoned checkout email content is in place. At this stage, you have completed the main setup action from the instructions, searching for abandoned checkout, opening it, and then using the edit segment area to modify the text template contents if needed. From here, your store will use your updated abandoned checkout email template for customers who leave checkout without finishing their purchase. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.